Hi everybody, welcome again. What we're demonstrating for you today, this is a Bivans Model 50 tuck and mat carton erector. Very popular, been around for many years. Can achieve only about 50 a minute with at maximum speed, doing reverse tuck or straight tuck cartons. It's operating on 120 volt, and this particular unit has had a foot pedal used to activate the cartoner. As most of you know, the cartons travel from the central magazine forward to the folding device. We've removed the guard here so you can get a better look at it. This particular unit is set up for a reverse tuck carton. To do the straight tuck requires the vacuum transport device, which would replace the pusher you see in the center there. There's also a little indexing device you'll see pull back with each stroke to allow the next carton in place. Have a small removable guard right here on the end, push handle, variable speed is mechanical, and the small handle you see here can be loosened and changed, and you'll see you've slowed the speed down. We have lots of cartoners, both automatic and semi-automatic, as well as everything in packaging and processing in our stock, so we'll do hope you'll visit us at champtrading.com, and we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us for this video today.